The rain arches are mounted on a single, we call a rain manifold arch. It's a 10-foot tall arch that holds up to 4 rain arches. The sequence of the rain arches are a drying agent rain arch at 4 gallons a minute. The next one beside it is a sealer wax to apply a pay wax for a clear coat protectant. The very last one is a setting arch. If the customer opted to use a spot-free rinse and make it optional on a top package, they could put the spot-free rinse last and the setting arch in the 3rd position and be able to have them on as a pay function. The way they work is they run sealer wax will be number 2. The final rinse being an 8-gallon a minute arch to set that up completely. On this one here, what we're looking at is a potential water pressure problem at the building, at the supply line. A 1/2-inch line feeding that rain arch at 60 psi should flow 20 gallons a minute. It should fill the rain arch completely. When we see that this here flows and drops out again, usually an indication that we don't have enough water flow to fill that arch. If that's the case, then we may need to either reduce the size of the rain arch or put a booster pump on the system to increase that water pressure. If they have too much water pressure, there could be a regulator on the main that they could turn the water pressure up or down. In this situation here, we don't have enough, and there is no pressure reducing valve to reduce the pressure, so we'd have to put a booster pump or drop that arch down to an 8-gallon a minute arch or a 4-gallon a minute arch.